Now let's unpack the phone, and as we unpack we can see the HTC One, the one we have been waiting for. Now let's see the phone. Here is the HTC One with boom sound, blink feed, motion launch, Zoe 12 camera, and many more. Let's unlock it. Here is the HTC One. You can see the metallic body and with front and back cameras. Let's unlock it. Wow, that's elegant. This is the brand new smartphone, HTC One M8. You can see the metallic body, and you can see the smoothness here and hardness. The phone, here's the for charging point and for headphones. Here are the slots for nano SIM, and here's the button on the top for starting the phone. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, now the one of the next feature which we like about this HTC One M8 is that it comes with a HTC One accessory,